Hi guys! Welcome to Bestfriend'S Kitchen! If you are new to our channel, please subscribe so you will get updated for our future videos. Today, we're going to show you how to make candied sweet beans. So here are the ingredients for this recipe. Tara, simulan natin! Una, ibabad nyo lang yung beans sa water for overnight. Then, i-remove nyo lang yung beans sa water gamit ang isang strainer. Pagkatapos, ilagay nyo lang yung beans sa isang steamer. Make sure lang na kumukulo na yung tubig bago kayo mag-start mag-steam. Takpan nyo lang ito at steam yung beans over medium heat for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, ready na yung beans natin. I-remove nyo lang ito sa steamer at i-set aside nyo muna. Sa isang kawali, i-combine nyo lang yung sugar at ang water. Lutuin nyo lang ito sa mahinang apoy hanggang sa ma-dissolve yung sugar. Kapag completely dissolved na yung sugar, i-add nyo na yung beans. Lutuin nyo lang ito at hayaan nyo mag-simmer for 1.5 hour over low heat. After 1.5 hour of cooking, patayin nyo lang yung apoy. Pagkatapos, hayaan nyo lang yung beans mag-stand and rest in the sugar mixture for another 10 minutes. After that, i-transfer nyo lang yung beans sa isang flat surface at hayaan nyo itong lumamig. By the way guys, if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. Just click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Kapag malamig na yung beans natin, i-coat nyo lang ito ng powdered sugar. Pwede kayong gumamit ng strainer para mas madali nyo ma-coat ng powdered sugar yung mga beans. And there you go! Our candied sweet beans are now ready. By the way guys, pwede kayong gumamit ng plastic container or plastic ng ice candy para sa packaging kung balak nyo itong ibenta. We hope that you enjoyed this video and please give us a thumbs up. You can also comment down below if you want to request recipes that we can feature on our next vlogs. Paki-share na rin ang video ito para everybody happy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys, till our next vlog.